How to download Warzone on PC for free. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to download Warzone on PC for free. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Warzone PC. Then click on the official link from Call of Duty or Steam. You may be asked to enter your date of birth. Select the day, month, and year, then click View Page. If the game is available on Steam, click on Yes if Steam is installed. If you don't have Steam installed, you will need to download and install it first. Once Steam opens, you will see the option to install to drive. Click on Install, choose your desired drive location, and follow the prompts to begin downloading the game. Once the download and installation are complete, you can launch Warzone and start playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.